Most people get this wrong when trying to cancel Comcast, and they waste hours on phone calls, transfers, and retention offers they never asked for. Here's the truth no one tells you. You can cancel your service without calling, but only if you follow the exact online steps and avoid the traps built into the system. In this video, you'll learn how to cancel Comcast without calling in 2026 step by step. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to stop your service and avoid unexpected billing or delays. Let's get right into it. First, open a browser and go to the official Comcast website or Xfinity account page. Log in using your account credentials. This is your main control center for all services. Now here's where most people get stuck. They search for a cancel button and don't find it easily. That's because Comcast does not place cancellation directly on the dashboard homepage. Instead, go to the account section, then look for Manage Services or Billing and Services. Now here's the key step. Find your active internet, TV, or phone plan. Click on it. You will usually see options like Change Plan or Disconnect Service. Select Disconnect Service. This is the official cancellation path. Now here's where it gets interesting. Comcast may not immediately finalize your cancellation online. In many cases, they will try to redirect you to chat support or offer a retention deal. This is normal, and it is part of their process. But here's how you stay in control. If a chat window opens, clearly type that you want to disconnect service and do not wish to receive retention offers. Keep your message short and firm. For example, say, "Please proceed with full service disconnection as of my next billing cycle." Now, here's an important detail most people miss. Your cancellation date matters. If you cancel mid-cycle, you may still be billed for the remaining days. So always check your billing period before confirming. Now here's where it gets even more important. After submitting the cancellation request, you must check your email for confirmation from Comcast. This email is your proof that the request was received. If you do not receive confirmation within a few hours, go back into your account and check the status under Service Requests. Now let's talk about equipment, because this is where people lose money. If you rented a modem or router from Comcast, you must return it after cancellation. If you don't, you may get charged unreturned equipment fees. You can usually return it at an authorized drop-off location or ship it back using the prepaid label provided. Now here's a retention moment you should not ignore. Always take screenshots of your cancellation request and confirmation email. This protects you if billing continues accidentally. Now here's another mistake people make. They assume service stops immediately. In reality, your service usually continues until the end of your billing cycle unless you request immediate termination. So check your account carefully. Now let's quickly summarize everything. Log into your Comcast account. Go to Services. Select Disconnect. Confirm cancellation, check your email, and return equipment if required. That is the complete process to cancel without calling. If you follow these steps correctly, you can avoid long phone calls, avoid retention pressure, and fully control your cancellation online. Now you know exactly how to cancel Comcast without calling in 2026. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who is trying to cancel their internet service, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.